Today is the second class of CSC exam preparation. Impact of entrepreneurship. Number one, create goods and services on both national and local scale. Number two, create jobs. Hence, their contribution cannot be measured in purely monetary terms. Third, created a product or service of note while building a substantial customer base. Number four, benefits of entrepreneurship spans economy and society. Entrepreneurship, job creation, wealth creation, improved economy, product and services. Next, impact on economic growth. Local economy with vibrant entrepreneurialism creates wealth for the local economy, both for the entrepreneur and people. Number two, national economy scale for the government taxation. Number three, creation of a product or service that adds value to the lives of its users. Number four, innovation can push a market forwards on domestic and overseas level, creating and is a key driver of economic growth. Next, risk-taking rejuvenates ailing industry and economy. Number six, spark governments to create an effective economic and legal framework. Impact on job creation. Successful entrepreneurialism often requires the skills and labor of many people. Number two, as a thriving business grows, so do the opportunities for others, and the cumulative impact of new startups in a particular geographical area will go a long way towards creating new employment opportunities. Socio-economic value creation. High growth entrepreneurship, transformational entrepreneurship, small business, social entrepreneurship. Negotiation is not persuasion. Negotiating versus persuading. Number one, persuading, the ability to convince others to take appropriate action. An example of persuade is when you make a strong argument for why your idea is right and your argument convinces your boss to implement your idea. Negotiating, the ability to discuss and reach a mutually satisfactory agreement. Example, you arrive at intersection with three other cars. How do you decide who goes first? How do you decide the order of the other cars to go through the intersection? Types of negotiating. Two types, distributive and integrative. Distributive negotiations can be thought of as disputes over a fixed pie. Negotiating to divide some limited resource. You win, I lose, and vice versa. Integrative negotiations can be thought of as disputes where there is an expanding the pie. Negotiating to try to expand resources so that everyone wins from the outcome we achieve. Integrative negotiations are based on a win-win perspective. Key elements of entrepreneurial negotiations: create value, build trust, deal with emotions and perceptions, protect long-term relationships, distinguish between interest and positions. Next, participate in negotiation simulation to diagnose your strengths and weakness. Learn the steps involved in creating value. Next, develop a personal theory of practice with regard to the elements of entrepreneurial negotiations. Next, diagnose personal strengths and weakness to improve negotiating skills. Next, use objective standard to build trust. Build trust in entrepreneurial negotiations. Learn how contingent agreements can be used to reduce uncertainty. Recognize the importance of emotions and perceptions. Review the psychological dimensions of entrepreneurial negotiations. Number 2, know when to walk away from a deal. Number 3, learn to calculate the worth of competing offers. Enhance relationships. While winning at win-win negotiation, learn the essential of win-win negotiation. Number 2, understand the dynamics of venture capital investing. Process. Before research the other side, understand your best alternative to a negotiated agreement. Walk-away position. Next, assess true issues in negotiations. Determine important issues. Pre-think solution to dead ends exchanges. Prepare end goal statement. In the negotiations room, build rapport, emotional posture, tone, and key goal. Understand their burden. Identify the needs to other party, essential, important, desirable. Next, compare the two to understand shared, independent, conflicting. Mechanics. In the negotiations room, no free discounts. Ask for more than you expect. Never accept the first offer. Be predictable, explicit, never lie. Before leaving, clarify and make sure you agree. Skills. Negotiation skills. Flexibility. How you say it, tone and body language, listening for interest, active listening, not agreeing, purposeful communication, email versus talking, needless communications, disengaging from personal and people, perception, emotion, communication issues. Techniques. Getting information, silence, ask questions, give info to get info, anchoring, cognitive bias, commitment, escalation, consistency, core human concerns, autonomy, appreciation, affiliation, role, status.